What is up, chat? It's your boy J Cuz back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Today we're here with one, I think, with my sister Jazzy and then my other sister Juliana. Today, as I can tell by the title and thumbnail, we're doing blind, deaf, mute.
I'm blind. I mean,
He's gonna be
deaf in the ears.
She's gonna be mute, and then I'm gonna be blind with a little headband. But if you guys enjoy,
When are you gonna be ready to dab on them haters? Sorry, guys.
So let's get into the video. Alright, chat, so look, I got my laptop here. We're gonna be looking at a video. So we have to somehow communicate what's the ingredients, so it's more interesting. I'm gonna have the video I'm using in the link in the description.
Chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started.
Oh, you have the.
What's wrong with the captions? Oh, because you can. I don't know if you can hear me.
What is it?
Alright, so the flour.
Hold on, wait.
Which one's the flour?
Hold on, I have to check again. Don't grab anything. 2 cups and 1/4 cup.
Can you hear me?
I can't hear you. I need a measuring cup
Alright.
for the flour. 2 cups.
Oh, we need. I thought we.
Not the cup, the spoon cup.
Oh,
Jaylee, take him to where he doesn't go.
God can't see me, but I'm over here.
We also don't have chocolate chips, so we have this almond bar.
I literally don't know where it is.
Yeah, I could work with that.
Is that 1 cup?
Nope, that is not 1 cup. It's a 1/4 cup. The 1 cup is a big one. No, I still need this one. Jaylee, grab him before he dies.
I don't know where. Okay.
Juliana got it.
She has 1 cup.
You should go get me a knife. No, I'm kidding.
You already have one. You already have a knife.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
Where is the table?
Do you want to measure the flour? Jaylee, did he say yes? Does he want to measure the flour? Do you want to measure the flour? Jaden, flour. Don't spill. Scoop it. Okay. Okay, scoop more. Okay.
Is this too much?
Shake it off a little bit. No. Just up and down like this. Wait, no, like what the flip? Like yeah, dump it in the bowl. Yeah. Now go again. Help him. I have to figure out this video.
Locked in, chat. Alright, that's 2. Where's the cap?
Okay, wait, we're not done. You need that much more. You know you need more flour. You need more. Scoop one more time.
Oh, wait.
No, not that one. Yes, that one, Jaden. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, we gotta have
70 grams of all-purpose flour.
1 minute. Don't mix. 3/4
of baking soda.
teaspoon.
Baking soda.
I don't know. You said.
Didn't want baking soda.
We need 3/4 teaspoon. What you guys brought is a tablespoon. I need a tinier
there's baking
one.
soda already here.
No. You have to go get a teaspoon.
What is that?
This is a tablespoon. You don't need this one.
I don't know what a tablespoon is. Wait.
Just go back. This is 1 teaspoon. Bro, where's...
Bro, this video may not be taking long.
Okay, I'm measuring this one because you guys suck.
If this video is like an hour long, bro, I'm gonna be cooked.
Fam, move out the way, fam. 1. Okay, we need salt. Jaden, I'm gonna make you do this. Hold that. Look, wait. Come over here. No, don't open it. Yes, open it, actually. Scoop 3 times. Come closer to the table. Pour it into the bowl.
Wait.
3 scoops.
Where is the bowl?
Did I get the right measuring? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Go in.
Are you
put
sure
it,
it's
no,
salt?
put it
I
in.
thought it
No,
was
put it
baking
in the
soda.
bowl. Put it in the bowl. Another one.
It said baking soda though.
Now another one.
Overcooked. This is gonna taste so bad.
That looks like sugar. Another one. Okay. Pour it in the bowl. Okay.
Whisk this up.
I thought you said baking soda.
I can't hear you.
Baking soda and salt.
Yeah, salt and
There's a
then
cookie.
baking soda.
Whisk it, Jaylee.
Yeah, when you
You
bake
didn't-
baking soda
I already
too.
put baking soda.
Okay.
Stupid ass. She's mixing. Okay. Now.
Set it aside, and now we're gonna mix that butter and sugar up. Into the bowl of your stand mixer, in the
Oh.
paddle attachment, I'm adding
Why are you beating it up?
It's hard.
Be nice to it. Look.
Why is it hard? Is brown sugar supposed
So
to
is
be
it
hard?
bad? Can you use a fork? Never mind, I got it. Stay right there.
Chat. If I don't survive this
Alright, we're gonna try to use a spoon.
because I don't know what I'm buying. I you guys in my system. I'm gonna use seconds. I don't know if I'm cooked. Like we got sugar over here hard as a rock. I don't know if I'm cooked.
These are not gonna time out right.
Cooked. Cooked, bro. Cooked.
Right now he's like. We're barely 1 minute into the 5 minute, 6 minute video. 6, 7. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, has to be a full cup because then I can't see. I think you should have been the blind one, Jaden. I mean, you should have been. You should have been the deaf one.
Yeah, I have no second thoughts. Maybe Juliana should have been the deaf one. You the mute, and I should have been. Wait.
Why is it so? I'm actually sweating. I need for your clutch.
Yeah, why is it getting hot now?
Okay, one more. Mhm. Heaven knows your name. Hey, I got a new follower.
Chat, is brown sugar supposed to be this hard?
I just woke up from a dream. Hey! Perfect. Sad about that real life.
65 grams of light brown sugar. Red brown sugar smells the best. It's so good.
Probably should not be touching the hair.
So his brown sugar did not. I'm done with the brown sugar. You don't have to get any more. Unless you like feel obligated or whatever.
I don't even know what's the next part.
Anymore. Should we have you cut the chocolate? That's Juliana's fault. You're not cutting the chocolate. Let's be wrong. Okay.
3/4 cup, in you go. We're gonna beat this on medium-low until it's very light and fluffy, and
Also
will
do
be
that
about
fat
5
mix.
minutes. So, do a dish or two.
Wait, medium and raw. What does it mean? A beat?
This is looking so nice and fluffy. Come take a look at what a
Is he
fluffy,
talking- oh,
cloudy
medium
butter
and low,
sugar
like,
combination
stirring?
looks like? That is very nice.
What is he talking about?
Now we can crack one large room temperature egg in. Mix it up and then add a tablespoon of vanilla. It's 15 ml, which I've clearly measured so carefully.
I'm gonna put in the vanilla extract.
Clearly measured so. Now we can crack our sugar. It's looking so nice and fluffy. Come take a look at
Stop touching
what
it.
a fluffy, cloudy butter sugar
Come on.
combination looks like. That is very nice. Now we can crack one large room temperature.
Jaylee, go get one egg.
Try again. Mix it up and then add a tablespoon of vanilla. It's 15 ml.
Okay.
A tablespoon
You have to pour that in this. Crack the egg in there. Okay. So actually, drop it. Good boy. Okay, pour it. Pour it. Yep, pour it. Yep, good. Good job.
I didn't.
Good job.
Okay,
Good
here's
boy. Give me that. Just hit
Why? What is this? Oh, towel.
Right next to you.
That doesn't sound pleasing.
Stop skipping my songs. Stop it.
Dude, if you just spin once and you can't even see, you just feel dizzy. You don't even
Does
look.
this sound weird? It looks really weird right now.
You just sound dizzy. I mean, you look dizzy. Don't be around with your limit.
Which I clearly measured so carefully.
2 seconds.
So if you don't get a nice homogeneous mixture and scrape the bowl down, what happens is when you're getting the last of your cookies out and you're scraping the bottom of the bowl, they're like very buttery, sugary, and it melts. And then it melts in the oven and they get kind of like flat and burnt.
Oh,
That last cookie would be bad. You can let it run for a
I'm gonna
few
eat
minutes
one.
low so it incorporates and I don't see
I'm not
the
mixing
streaks of
it
eggs
in.
hanging around. That looks great. Now we're gonna add our flour mixture in. I'm gonna mix this until I
How
see
far am I from
almost
this
no
thing?
flour hanging around, but there will still be some flour. There we go.
Come to me.
But this is beautiful.
Why are you showing my phone?
Now we're
So
gonna
just
stir
see
this
if
on
you
low, just to distribute those chocolate chips. And while we do
you wanna
that,
mix
the rest
it?
of the flour will get incorporated. That looks delicious and great.
Yep, you just got flour everywhere. I'm just kidding.
Into the fridge, I am just gonna give it one final, like, just inspecting the mix with my spatula to make sure that the chocolate chips are distributed and that there's no bits of nonsense hanging around. I'm seeing some pockets of like very heavy chocolate chip formation and some that are not so much. So let me know in the comments if there's a cookie you've been
Okay.
waiting for the chip.
I can smell
Anyways.
like butter.
I'm gonna start cutting up the chocolate. So first chocolate we have
This is a
for today
workout.
is a Hershey's Kiss.
No.
You're not cutting it, boy. You're not cutting it. Mom will be mad if you cut it. Okay. First
Is this
of all,
even
we're just
going anywhere,
gonna.
bro? Like, give me no shorty.
Gonna watch them fall.
This is a wrist workout.
You just gotta keep mixing, Jordan.
Dude, why is the rim?
Help Jaden, Julie. Help Jaden. You guys scoot over a little bit. This is gonna be like faintly milk chocolate and mostly white chocolate. What about us? What about everything we've been through?
Dude, my freaking.
No.
Jesse, your turn. Next turn.
I think this is gonna melt. So it's ridiculous. You can start mixing with your hands, boy. No more walking.
I could really take a nap here. Oh. Get to the step stool? I want to get you to the step
Where the waters are. The waters.
What the heck?
He's looking for my step. Chelsea. I'm gonna show him.
I don't feel the step stool.
That's okay. I don't need it anyways. I thought I did. I just meant to because.
More chocolate? What? You know what we should do? You should get your hands out of that. Take your hands out. You're making it so mushy. You're over kneading it. Jaden, go get her a paper towel. Or maybe you just go wash your hands. Go like this on the bowl. Okay, go wash your hands. I think a little bit more. I can't break it. Just kidding. I'm just gonna cut one more up and then.
Does my hair look flat? Because I can't see it to fix it, so it is what it is. Wrong board. This is the cookies. This.
We should get a baking pan.
Baking pan.
Go pee. Mostly white chocolate chip cookies. Those. We're gonna need another one. You should have preheat the oven. It's like normal, 350.
No one else has to do that.
Go help Jen preheat the oven. I forgot he can't see. Spray it. Should I make them bigger? Jaylee, should I make it bigger?
Shit, I don't know. Why does this make me tired? My eyes closed with so long.
Like that?
Like if I were to just sit down right here, I could just sleep.
Like that? It's a fat cookie. Boy.
Mm-mm.
That's too much.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Juliana.
Mm.
Kylie. Brilliant touch. You can make them smell if you want. This one's gonna be fat. There's Jazzy Stripe cookies. They're fat. Oh. Open your mouth.
What the heck?
Just a minute.
Are we done yet?
Mm-mm. Why?
What are we doing now? Make cookies?
Mm-hmm.
Are we like putting them on the pan?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. We're already done.
I don't even know what they were doing.
Now you clean up blindfolded.
No.
Brady didn't even preheat the oven.
I don't even know where the buttons were. Oh, chat, I don't know why. I just feel so tired. Having my eyes closed with this song is really weird.
Pause my music, boy.
Like this new sensation I feel
Okay.
is just sleepiness and
It's
tiredness.
preheating.
It's just
Okay, stop
a
before
whole
you break
new
my phone.
feeling I've created of just having this blindfold on me for so long that you really just be in touch with another of sleep. And picking it up and down. Why are we still cutting? I thought we were done.
Mm-mm.
I
Are we still?
just woke up from a dream.
Are we on the second pan?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Stop touching my cookies.
Wait, the cookies are right
Stop
here.
touching my cookies. Leave my cookies alone.
Where? Bro, I need to make some cookies.
Oh, we have to put them in the fridge so they bake better.
I need to make some cookies. Where is the second batch of cookies?
Okay. Now we clean up, my brother. Why are you skipping all my music? Get the fuck off my phone.
Are we done with the cookies?
So guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm out of here because I'm done.
Are we actually done? We're
It'll
done.
be fall.
Are we done?
Yeah, they're just baking. They just gotta bake.
That means take them off.
What?
Take them off.
I did. What do you
Oh.
want? What do you want? Yes, brother.
Bro, it was just light outside.
No one.
Finally, the freedom to talk. I can't talk so well.
I actually was getting tired.
Brownie. I love you.
I was seriously getting tired.
Good.
Did you?
Like,
Now you can
having
tiredly
my eyes
clean
closed
this-
without
clean that.
on is
Okay.
weird. This is a weird feeling. Alright, chat, do not stop. We are done. I don't even know if I was in the shop most of the time because I was like, I kept on over here, then I was over there. But yeah, we are done. I don't even know what happened.
I just
I
want
did a good job.
But yeah, I'll update you guys on the cookies if they even taste good or anything. So,
They're gonna be in the oven, and then we'll show you the masterpieces and how they taste.
and then we'll try.
Because we quite literally, if you couldn't see the ghetto-ness of it all, we used almond bark and a tiny Hershey Kiss and a tiny Hershey bar for Valentine's Day.
And there's not even chocolate chips.
Yeah, we don't have any.
This is literally.
This is
ghetto.
content. This is content.
This is
and my
how to make
jacket is
cookies.
ghetto as fuck. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know what it's called.
You first. It is what he sent me a TikTok. He said, "What do you want to talk about?" And he sent me a TikTok.
Outside vlogging. Well, I can't vlog lately just because of that. Yeah, a lot of that. Hey, but no school comes with this, so I'm cool with it. But yeah, I'll pick y'all up when cookies are done, baked, and everything. And yeah, until then, we're gonna clean up, and then we'll catch y'all. Peace. All right, Chad, we are back when the cookies are done. This is what this little zoom up on there, so it looks like cookies. You know what I'm saying?
I thought the
And then, yeah, we're about to try them. Jazz already taking a small bite, so she gets an idea what it tastes like. And yeah.
I'm gonna dip it in milk.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Mmm. These are really good. I'm taking a little bit.
They're overcooked.
But they're so good.
They actually don't taste bad.
They're really good.
This one just probably burnt them.
Yeah, just this has a you get a bite. Has a good texture.
There's nothing in it.
I didn't get much as a soft one, but it was okay.
But Jazzy rated out 1 to 10.
Not bad. I give it a 8.5 just because the chocolate chips are not all there.
What do you give it? 1 to 10.
We're going 8 out of 10.
I give it
They're
a
good.
6.8. Not a 7. They're like I wouldn't eat this, but if I want craving some sweets, I would eat it. But yeah.
I didn't.
But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If y'all haven't liked, subscribe, and comment down below.
It's got like a tasteful salt.
Comment down below what else should we do. If y'all want me to make more videos with my sisters, comment down below what ideas,
Cause we could make like a video where
we could make a butt cheek.
We can make
You wanna make a butt cheek?
yeah. Okay. We can make a video where we read people's comments.
That's a Q&A. That's called a Q&A.
See, they're actually not bad.
But yeah, chat, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you guys want us to do. And any type of videos, I'm open to it to do with my sisters. If I want to do a Q&A, something she suggested, then I'm down. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. And yeah, until next video, most likely be a vlog because videos like these are not easy to edit.
It's been a lot of snow days,
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully there's no school tomorrow because I gotta edit this. So yeah.
There's no school tomorrow.
You don't know that. See y'all later. Peace. I gotta do the thing. Peace.